This pose is good to try at the beginning, middle or end of a session to help you relax, rest, restore, reflect, observe change and counterpose. It helps you to come into the moment and promote inner focus and awareness. You can use an eye bag if you wish. Leave plenty of space in between your feet so that the feet are about hip distance apart, and bring the arms to the sides of the body, leaving plenty of space between the inner edges of the arms and the outer edges of the rib cage. Feel the points of contact between the floor and your body at the level of the heels of the feet, the backside and the shoulders. This is a pose you'd practice for about 5 minutes and onwards. To learn how to get the full benefits of this pose and also how to do this pose safely, visit chrisjamesmindbody.com.